Listen long enough, you can love me. Listen long enough, you can love me.
Alright, y'all, so I have this extra fabric from my shorts, and I think I'm going to go in here and make a top, like a little bra top. So we're gonna see how that's gonna come out. I think I can do it, first time doing it, and we're just gonna leave it like this. That way I can cut the same pattern and it'll be the same on both sides. So let's go ahead and get into that. Both the inside and then sew along here. Alright, y'all, so we have our little bralette pieces done. Back, let's let it down. And here's the other one. I also added a little string part. This is also denim as well. I just folded it and then sewed it down. And then I also made like the denim string to go inside of the bra. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and insert the string, and I'm gonna do that by putting a safety pin on there like this, and we are going to go ahead and insert that in. So let's speed this up. Alright, y'all, so this is how my top came out. I think it came out good. I just gotta fix it just a little bit, but so far this is how it is, and this is how the back is. So yeah, it's gonna look pretty good when I get finished with it, but now it's time to clean it up and bling it out. So let's get to it.